Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Lake Elementary School in Oceanside, California, home of the Dolphins. This is my third visit to their campus for this school year, 2025-2026, and my final one. But we had a lot of fun today here in the MPR. The focus for today, the assembly was about icebreakers, but fun team building games, right? And of course, on the screen, we have an iceberg. And we know that icebergs are about 10% above water, 90% below. And I compare icebergs to people, right, to us, where a lot of times we only show what's on the surface, that 10% more of the superficial things. But the things that are below, that are in our heart, our fears, our dreams, our goals, for feeling different feelings of anger or sadness, whatever it is, a lot of times we don't show that, right? We're afraid that if we show the real us, that we might not be accepted, that people might judge. And it's true, they might, but the goal is that if you do show your true self, right, your real self, then you don't have to spend that extra energy being someone that you're not, right? Be yourself, everyone else is taken. And to put that mask on every day, that figurative mask again and again and again, it makes it very difficult to, really, of course, try to fit in, but it makes it really hard on yourself because you're not being yourself, right? And I think the students really got that today. The icebreakers that we did, the games, they had life lessons behind them, right? So we did the Dizzy Mummy with the toilet paper. We did the pantyhose elephant march on your head with the tennis ball. And that was kind of the idea, like to take off the costume, to take off the mask, right? Halloween's one of the favorite holidays on so many polls year after year after year, because it's one day out of the year that you can be someone you're not, and you're not judged for it, right? But the other 364 days, we do a pretty good job of still, putting the mask on. And so if we can be able to just get real, have that freedom to just go around and, be who we're meant to be, know that our true friends are going to accept us for that, that's such a relief, right? And that means that we know that we're all true miracles. Something I bring up in every presentation they've heard year after year after year. But the lines on our hand, we all have the letter M. I trace one of mine here, always do. That M stands for miracle upside down, W is for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we believe that, we know that our true friends will see us for that. It's our job to go see others for that. And it's our job to not have those stereotypes or those preconceived assumptions or those judgments ourselves, right? To get to know someone at a deeper level, right? To kind of break the ice. So it was just an amazing afternoon, getting to share my heart with everyone here and trying to challenge them, to be 100% in, to get real, to lower the waterline, right? And to really just be who you truly are, destined to be. The other icebreakers we did too, the face the cookie, the nose dive, the Vaseline on our nose, trying to pick up cotton balls, the Oreo cookie. It was the other idea, the other part of the session today, trying to say, look, there's a lot that comes at us in our face, a lot of peer pressure, a lot of people and media and TV and shows trying to say, this is how you should be. This is what is beautiful, act like this. But at the same time, a lot of times it's something that's negative, right? That could hurt our bodies, could eventually, hurt others, might hurt our spirits, our feelings, our hearts. So we have to really be able to decipher, what is good, what is bad, and then have the courage to go out, to stand up for others that might be getting teased or bullied for, who they are, how they dress, how they're born, et cetera, et cetera. And if we can be those leaders that this world needs, we start to see change, positive change, happen not just here at our school, but in our entire community. So thanks for touching my heart. Great to see you all again. Hope to be back in the future. Until then, though, and as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button. You'll see it pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.